few moments later.
Good morning, Tayon. Good morning, Tayon. Good morning. Let's go na. Let's go. Oh, let's go na. Tara na. Uy. Tara na, baby ko. Tara na, punta na tayo dagat. Good morning, Tayo. Tara na. Wow, ang Tayo kong pugi naman. Pugi ng baby ko.
Kasi
Uy, excited ka na, baby ko? Uy, excited na yan. Gagala siya. Punta tayong dagat. Uy, enjoy ka mamaya, ha? Uy. Pugi naman ang Tayo ko. Ha? Okay, mamaya. Na? Picture tayo mamaya, ha? Okay? Uy, picture ang baby. Tummy time muna, baby. Oh, ang yabang. Kain ng sarili niyo. Tummy time muna. Ha? Go Tayo. Go Tayo. Training ka na para sa Olympics, no? Ang galing na ng Tayo. Wow. Smile. Hello guys, ito na. Tapos na kami mag-asikaso. Alit na rin si Tayo boy. Tayo. Excited ka na, bebe? Ha? Excited ka na? Uy, mayain po. Tara na. Takpan mo na. So, ayun guys, no. Dito kami sa may labas ng building. Tapos, hinintay ko yung katrabaho ko. Kasi sabi niya, nasa building na siya. Yung pala, wala pa. Tapos, ang usapan namin, 5:30, dapat nandun na kami sa location. Pero anong oras na mag-alas 6 na wala pa kami sa location. Kasi kaya sinabi ko na ako nag-set na 5:30 kasi alam mo talaga na may malilate talaga. Ganda rin ni Mami. Ikaw? Excited ka na mamaya, bebe? Excited ka na rin? Dalin.
Joanna, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh my goodness, see me your face, huh? Yeah. See? There's the girl or boy?
Boy.
Oh my goodness, same man. Your father, huh? Your hair is show yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We are already here now, guys, in Corniche. Hi. And my wife. Let's go, guys. Very beautiful here. Time check, 6:45 now. Yung mga kasama ko wala pa dito. Ang galing ng usapan natin, guys. Planado. So, hindi ko alam kung saan na sila ngayon eh. Pero sabi na sa taxi daw sila eh. Pero yung taxi yata papunta yatang Dubai.
Wow! Unang tapak.
Kumusta tayo? Tayo ba? Yung paa mo, baby. Hindi naman natin ang paa mo. Hindi nga.
Namumula agad?
A few moments later.
Ngayon ay babalik kami, pupunta kami doon sa kabila. Mali yung pinag-usapan namin. Hindi kami nagkaintindihan. Ay, mainit na, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Andito na, kasama ko na rin guys si Rainier. Yan. Ito pala si Boss Malupiton. Version 5.
You can see Bip right in there. It's a phone number 60055 blah blah, right?
Yeah, there is a big tower.
Iowa, you see the number, right?
There's a lot of big tower.
We are come to see you now on the way.
A few moments later.
Ay, finally guys, nandito na kami. Ang layo-layo na pinuntahan ko. Pinuntahan namin pala. No, one by one first. One by one. Yes, one by one. Yes. Nakalimutan kong dalhin yung case ng GoPro ko para at least sana okay sanang ilubog, but I forgot to bring it. Pakistani.
Also Pakistani.
Filipino
and Pakistani.
Teo, kala ko maliligo ka, Teo. Na, matutulog lang pala ang Teo ko dito. Tulog ka lang? Ha, Teo? Uy! Come here, Nur. You're trying to catch fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daka. Did you get one or no? Huh? Nothing? Yeah, here. Fish. See? I'm trying to catch fish. Already here. Ready to eat. Come here now. Eat now. Fish. Try one.
No,
Daka.
make like this and put here and fry under.
Here already. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-swimming at ang lamig-lamig pa rin ang panahon. Ayan, pauwi na kami guys. Thank you so much. Nag-enjoy kami, nag-enjoy din sila. Ewan ko lang yung iba. Dito lang ko si Bardo. Tulog ka na. Tulog na pulado.
You and me same ways, huh?
Say hi. Hello guys. Hello guys. Chico Chico.
Like Jonathan now. You remember that? Next time, Rehan, too much talking. Rehan. You look like a baby, no? That's why it's baby like that. Sometimes baby like that, no?
Hey.
Mother.
Oh my God, very hard. Follow us right now.
Oh, you have shooting or what?
Picture muna kami guys.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Enjoy vacation. Enjoy.